Rhubarb and ginger crumble. For this you will need 500 grams of fresh rhubarb, 25 grams of stem ginger roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon of the syrup. For the crumble you will need 75 grams of butter, 130 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 75 grams of Demerara sugar, and 20 grams of flaked almonds. First, preheat your oven to gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Put your rhubarb in an oven-proof dish and bake for 10 minutes, chopping roughly. Stir in the ginger and the syrup. Rub the butter into the flour. Stir in the sugar and the flaked almonds. Flaked almonds. Sprinkle the crumble over the fruit. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden at gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. The ginger adds a distinctive flavour. I think it's just a cut above ordinary rhubarb crumble. Would go very well with custard, but I haven't got any custard. All in all, great.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.